This video will show you how to install your new motion sensor using step-by-step instructions.
If you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. Everything you need to install the motion sensor inside your home is already included: the battery, mounting adhesives, and mounting brackets. If there is no battery pull tab, the first thing you'll need to do is install the battery. Remove the cover and insert the battery into the sensor. The motion sensor has a built-in pet shield that can ignore motion from pets up to 38 kilograms or 85 pounds. If you have pets, leave the pet shield attached. Otherwise, remove the pet shield and replace the cover. The motion sensor comes with two mount options, for flat wall or corner. If you're mounting to a wall, use the flat bracket and apply the double-sided adhesive to the back. If you're mounting the sensor to a corner, either cut the double-sided adhesive in half or use the smaller pieces if they were included in your package. Attach the bracket to the wall, ensuring that the arrow is pointing up. Install the sensor by aligning with the bracket and sliding up until it clicks, and your installation is complete.